Major crops. Major crops grown in the world are classified into food crops and commercial crops. Food crops. They include all cereals, pulses, oilseeds, beverages and tubers. Rice, wheat, corn or maize and millet are the main cereals. Rice. It is said to have originated in India more than 5,000 years ago and spread to other parts of the world. It is obtained from paddy, which is processed in mills. Bran and husk are used as fodder as well as fuel. It is primarily a crop of the tropics and subtropics. It is the chief food of about half the world's population. Major rice-producing countries are China, 33%, India, 21%, Japan, 7%, Indonesia, 5%, and Thailand, 4%. About 90% of the world's rice is grown in the monsoon lands of Asia. It is also grown in Brazil, USA, and Australia. Climate needed. It requires temperatures over 20 degrees Celsius during the growing season and over 25 degrees Celsius at the time of ripening. Rainfall between 100 to 150 centimeters is necessary. Plenty of water is required and soil should be alluvial and loamy with subsoil of clay. Rice is grown in India in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Most of the rice grown in these places is consumed by the people itself. Rice is mostly grown in deltas, river valleys and coastal plains. In mountainous areas which have appropriate temperature and rainfall, rice is grown in terraced fields. A lot of human labor is needed to grow rice. Wheat. Wheat is grown under a wide range of climatic conditions from Siberia to tropical regions. It needs loamy soils of fertile silt. The temperature range required is below 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall between 50 cm to 75 cm. Wheat requires a clear sky when it ripens. It is grown in temperate regions also, where the rainfall ranges between 30 cm to 80 cm. Wheat varieties are classified in Americas as winter wheat and spring wheat. Wheat belts exist in China, India, Russia, Ukraine, Canada, USA, and most of the European countries, Australia, and Argentina. In India, wheat is grown during winter, especially in the north. Northwestern and central India, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab are the wheat growing areas in India. USA, Canada, Argentina, and Australia are the main exporters of wheat in the world. Europe is the major buyer. Maize. It is known as maca in India, corn in USA, and Indian corn in Europe. It was first grown in the North American continent before it spread to other parts. It is called corn there and is valued both as a food and fodder crop. The USA is the largest producer of maize in the world. China is the second largest. Other countries that grow maize are Russia, Brazil, Mexico, and Argentina. In India, it is cultivated in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. The climate required for maize production is temperature 20 degrees to 24 degrees Celsius and an average annual rainfall of 50 cm to 75 cm. Millets. A group of crops like jowar, bajra, ragi and sorghum are given the common names of millets. Millets are used both as food crops and fodder. The millet is cultivated in dry and semi-dry areas. It needs temperature between 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall of 50 to 70 centimeters. Countries that produce millet are India, Nigeria, China and Niger. In India, millets are the staple food of a very large section of population in peninsular India. In Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab, millets are grown mostly as fodder. Karnataka and Maharashtra are other major producers of millets.